Well, we're sitting in the closet because the tornado alarms or sirens are going off. I'm supposed to leave for work in like 15 minutes, and we're in the middle of a bunch of storms. So hopefully nothing bad happens. Jubilee! Juby, come here, Jubes! Come here, Juby Booby! Alex is just chilling over there. And everybody else seemed to have ran outside because they're like, ooh, tornado sirens, that seems like a good idea. Let's go run outside and get ourselves killed. So that's what's currently happening. Come here, Jubes. Oh, you want to say hi to the camera? It just is pouring now and it sounds awful. Come back here. Come here. Hey, let's not play with her shoes. Come here. Doobly boobly. While we're just chilling here, I'm just eating my Dairy Queen Blizzard. Because what else are you supposed to do when there's a tornado warning? Do you hear that? It's hailing. Don't let the cat out.
I don't care.
I care. I put my cat in here because I don't want her to die.
That's true. That sound is not good either.
Look at the water.
I think we need to go in the closet. Oh man, I cannot believe the hail. Look at all that. Sirens.
I'm going back in.
We're going in the closet. Run!
This kitty's under the table.
Kitty, run!
Where was?
Find Jubilee.
Jubilee's back in. I don't know where Chunk's at.
Okay.
See if Chunk's in there.
No.
I got her. Where's your brother? Chunk! Nala! It's okay. Is Chunk in here?
I don't know.
I haven't let him out. Well, there's that one. So, I don't know if you can see that, but it's showing up lighter on the camera than it actually is outside. It's like really like yellowy out and just blech. So I'm just kind of waiting it out to see when I should go to work, if I should go to work. Yeah, because I don't want to like go to work and get caught in the middle of like 2 storms or something like that. So we'll see. There's a lot of leaves on the ground out there though, and the weather's not looking good. Watching Anne of Green Gables. The storm's going on.
Rachel, good morning. And how are you? Oh, we're all right as rain.
This is what the windshield looks like because of the storm. Leaves just everywhere. I also saw a couple of tree branches down, so yeah, I'm heading to work now. So this was my almost tornado experience. I don't know, the sirens kept going off. There was huge hail and just hail everywhere. So yeah, that's what happened. But thanks for watching, I guess. Stay fresh and safe, and bye.